New Town Kolkata is one of the 5 cities in India with world-class infrastructure, with focus on sustainable environment. The city is committed to create economic and social opportunities for all its citizens. The smart city was awarded the IGBC Green Cities Gold certification in 2018 for its constant innovation and dedication for creating a greener and smarter future ahead. To make the city environment friendly, New Town Kolkata has introduced a policy where makers of green buildings can get advantage of 10% additional FAR.
We always encourage green buildings in a new town area. As a policy initiative, we provide 10% additional FAR for these green buildings.
The smart city has efficiently concentrated on roadside plantation, where more than 50% of the area of service lanes and carriageways are shaded by trees. The constant effort to make the city greener has been well appreciated. 30% of the open public spaces is allocated for green and social facilities. Green parks like Eco Park, Shonar Kella and numerous local and neighborhood level parks provide open space for citizens.
Many parks where we can do exercise, we can do jogging, we can spend good times. That's the basic purpose, that's the basic reason why we all love New Town.
Furthermore, New Town Kolkata equally concentrates on health and hygiene through active control and management of 100% waste segregation and collection at source. The collected wet waste is recycled and reused as compost for the greening of parks or medians in the city.
I segregate these wet waste and dry waste at my household level, and then we come and drop these wastes over here, which is, I think, very fundamental for the recycling of waste further. This is the best practice which has been followed in New Town.
Sustainable mobility is one of the key components of New Town Kolkata. 3 battery-operated AC electric buses are presently operational in the area. Safe and smooth last-mile connectivity through e-rickshaws or totos. Availability of e-bikes and app-based bicycle sharing facility. Barrier-free pedestrian walkways and seamless cycle tracks connect the entire city. More than 80% of New Town area has wide access to mass transit facility. Rainwater harvesting plays a vital role in the development of a green and eco-friendly city. The city promotes rooftop gardens and rainwater harvesting and have proposed incentives in building rules for the same. Storm water is harvested, stored and reused in city parks and other green verges. Clean water from sewage treatment plants are also planned to be reused in Eco Park.
In New Town, sewage treatment plants are treating sewage generated from different areas of New Town. The part of the treated sewage coming from the sewage treatment plant is being reused in different areas of Eco Park and other areas for gardening purpose mainly.
The city efficiently runs solar power plants to reduce dependence on conventional energy consumption. Low energy LEDs and solar street lights are the norms. Moreover, the city has proposed a reduction on property taxes for use of solar power in buildings. With new policy initiatives, renewable energy is expected to be a significant share of the total energy consumption of the city. Technology is used for citizen interaction and feedbacks. A team of trained professionals manage New Town 24/7 helpline, attend to the queries and grievances of the citizens. The helpline caters to queries on municipal services to emergency support to citizens. Automatic controls for street lighting and smart metering for efficient water consumption are key others technology initiatives.
Getting the platinum certificate as a green city means a huge lot of things to us. All our enduring efforts have been recognized by a body which itself gives the green building recognition for all the buildings. We are indeed happy, but we are not stopping. We are going to take it forward. We want to reach even higher goals so that indeed we are making a sustainable development.
New Town Kolkata has undertaken multiple initiatives like energy and water efficiency, sustainable mobility, green open spaces, and policy interventions for a greener and healthier environment for its residents. The continuous development of the smart city has thus been acknowledged with the prestigious Platinum certification by Indian Green Building Council in 2020.